In this video, I'll show you how you can send data that you have in a Google Sheet as a scheduled report or CSV file to a specified email using Google Appscript. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is go into extensions and then click on this Appscript. And then once you click on Appscript, this kind of Appscript editor is going to open up. So this is where we'll type our JavaScript code to actually get data from this raw data combined tab and send it as a CSV file to the email we want. So to get started, the first thing is we're going to specify a function, and we'll just close this as well. So we're going to specify a function called send CSV email, and then the first step is to actually get the data from the raw data combined sheet. So this is done by getting the active spreadsheet by name and then specifying the name of the tab that you want to grab the data from. So in this case, we want to get data from raw data combined tab. So we will specify raw data combined here. The second step is to actually convert this data into a CSV format. So in order to do this, you need something like this. So what this line of code does is it gets data from the raw data combined sheet and converts it into CSV format. Next, we'll actually write the code to send the email with the CSV file as an attachment. So for this one, it's going to be, let me just write the comment. You're going to specify mail app.send email. So this is what we'll be using to actually send the email. And then we'll first specify who to send the email to. So in this case, it's medianpulse@gmail.com, just for an example. And then we'll specify the subject as well. And then the body. And then lastly, we need to specify the attachments. So this last part is very important because this is actually the line of code that attaches the CSV file as an attachment, right? Cool. Then we just need to close this like this, and then make sure it's closed. Our overall function is closed. The important things here are the sheet name, where you want to get the data, raw data combined, and your destination email, as well as, I guess, the name, the file name of the data that you want to send. So in this case, it's raw data combined.csv. So the next step, once you have this code, is you need to first save it. Once you save it, you'll be able to then run the function. So to test this out, we're going to just click on run here. And then it's going to ask to provide access. So just click review permissions and then allow access. Should be no issues here. Click allow. And then cool. So in our execution log here, you can see that it has started and it has completed as well. So we can then go into our Gmail and see if there was any email that came through. There you have it. So we just received the CSV file. So as you can see, this is the subject we specified. And then this is the body, and then the data came in as raw data combined.csv. So if we just preview this, as you can see, all the data here is the same as what we have in our Google Sheet. So that is how you write the script to send the file as an email. But the next step is to actually schedule this. So there might be use cases where you want to actually schedule the data to be sent, whether that's hourly or daily or whatever cadence that you might like. So in order to schedule this, we will go into triggers and then click on add trigger and then select our function send CSV email. So this send CSV email is the name of the function we specified earlier in the code. And then you want to click time driven and then select whatever cadence you like. So if you select hour timer, for example, this will send the email every hour, and then you just click save. So once you click save, a new trigger will be created here. And then what this will ensure is it's going to send this data on an hourly basis as an email based on the code you specified here. So I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe.